Alright guys, today we have a K2 motor cold air intake off eBay. So we're going to see how it goes. We're going to put it in the 2004 Toyota Tacoma. So yeah, we're going to show the build, and it's just a cheap one, but we're going to see how it works, and if it works, sweet, but if it doesn't, it's alright. So we'll show the build. Guys, quick update. We got it all out, and we got that shield in. We put these sealers in as well. That was pretty easy. I'm just kind of going for it right now. I don't have any instructions, and there's none online, so just kind of going for it. It's turning out pretty well so far, and I'll keep you guys updated. Alright, we got it all installed. Kind of a pain without directions, but looks pretty good. That was very stupid design, and thing just kind of plops out like that, and they didn't give us anything to hold it, so that's kind of stupid. But we got to put this guy on real quick, and we're gonna try it out, and we'll see how it goes. All right, let's see how this thing fits real quick. The hood, because if it doesn't seal right, then it's obviously not cold. I actually think it's not too bad. Let's see real quick. I think we're just gonna close it and see how it goes. Well, let's start it. Definitely hear the sucking in it. That's pretty good. I like it. Let's go take it for a drive real quick and see. All right, it's definitely real loud. Sounds really aggressive. It sounds like a really aggressive exhaust, which I already have one on, but when I punch it, like it is freaking, it's growling. It sounds good. I love it. Hey, for 50 bucks, that's awesome. 50 bucks. You get a K&N for $250. I just got a $60 freaking, or $50 cold air intake off eBay, and this thing sounds badass. Hell yeah, I'm loving it. And it took me, shit, 15-20 minutes to install it. That's not bad at all. And it's not like you need major tools or anything. You need a screwdriver and some common sense, because it doesn't have directions, but it's all right. Woo! Well, let's just say my neighbors are not gonna like me, and I probably won't get the best gas mileage because I'll just be gunning it all the time, because it's so loud and it sounds so good. So aggressive. I can't believe how loud it is. So it's a good build. Gosh, I don't even know what's next. We're probably gonna finish up the tent on the rack, find some steel for a front bumper for this thing, and gosh, after that, save up money for a long travel kit.